Right, so everything works, so we're going for a quick test drive. See if it does. Under load. Just a quick one. Feels better. Seatbelts number one priority. Come on. Mechanic! We did it! I know the video is not the best of me showing how it's done step by step, but you get the gist, right? It's not really difficult. I got lucky enough thinking, oh, maybe if I, sand it down, I might get lucky. And yeah, I was lucky, very fucking lucky, because they do not make RHDs in England, only LHDs. And because I have a Z4, but yeah, it works. I'm gonna get home, check the fluid level, and get ready for work. Sick. We know it works. Happy days! I'm so tired I can't even open this bottle.